let's make up another batch of brine of the ancient marinade, and then cook us up some tiny chickens. For our brine of the ancient marinade, stays the same. I just enhanced the herbes de Provence. Lavender flowers, rosemary, oregano, marjoram, tarragon, basil, and a bay leaf. Garlic and onion powder, about that much salt, probably a cup-ish. And just like before, just let the spices bloom up, pour it right into an ice bath.
Hey ladies, how's the pool?
Creeper!
Whatever.
We're just gonna let that cool overnight, and we're gonna put these in the smoker tomorrow. We have smoke. We got our tiny chickens out of the brine. They are rinsed. And what goes better with tiny chickens than tiny oranges and tiny sprigs of spices? And then we can eat these ones. No. Chicken hands. Then, what is it? Seasoned in the abyss, people. Come on, we'll get it. We're gonna check these tiny chickens out. They've been in here for
Tiny
about
chicken.
2 hours. Ooh, look, those look glorious. These are damn done.
Hold me closer, tiny chicken.
I had to get these lame heat-proof gloves, and I hate them. Wish I could just wear my regular black gloves. And they're better than regular gloves because they're black. Let's taste this. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, that is so damn good. Tiny little chickens taste fantastic. Got some barbecued asparagus and homemade rice pilaf.
Smoke and freaking destroy some tiny chickens.